everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this session we will discuss how to find number of zeros from the graph of the polynomial. Okay, so in the previous session we will discuss the what is the concept of zeros of polynomial in the graph. So you can see the previous video, then you can get the detailed idea of the zeros of polynomial from the graph. So here we learn how to count the number of zeros from the graph. So here I have drawn some graph of the polynomial, and let us find number of zeros from this graph. So in the first case, in the first graph, we see that here this is the graph of the polynomial. So how to find out zeros of polynomial from the graph? As we know, the graph which cut the x-axis, we count the number of zeros. So this graph does not cut x-axis at any point. So this graph has no zeros of polynomial. Okay. For the second graph, we see that this graph cuts the x-axis at this point. So this graph has only one point, only one zeros of polynomial. In the third graph, we see that this graph of polynomial cuts the x-axis at 2 points, 1, 2, 3 points. So this graph has 3 zeros of polynomial, 1, 2, 3. Okay. In the fourth one, this is a parabola, and this graph cuts the x-axis in 2 points. This is negative side of x-axis. It can be a negative, it can be positive also. So this graph has 2 zeros of polynomial because it cuts the x-axis at 2 points. Now for fifth case, we see that the graph of the polynomial cuts the x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So this graph has 4 zeros of polynomial. In this case, this graph of polynomial cuts the x-axis 1, 2, 3 points. So this graph of polynomial has 3 zeros of polynomial. Okay, and so we can say that when the graph of the polynomial cuts the x-axis, then we can find out the zeros of polynomial. Okay, I hope you understand this concept. Okay, if you understand this concept, please like, share and subscribe and comment in the comment box. Thank you.